I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers,
Hi kids, my name is Rendell Seeley and I'm here with my friends Eli and Jordan, and we're going to show you some of the proper things to do when getting ready for a hike. First of all, you want to make sure that you know where we're going. And so we're going to be following this trail, going up through here so that we don't get lost. And we're going to stay on the trail. Also, we want to make sure we let somebody know where we're going. Did you guys let your parents know where you're going?
Yes.
Excellent. Then we want to make sure we're prepared for a hike. So we've got our water and things to drink and some snacks. And we're all dressed in case it gets cold. And if it gets hot, we also have some sunscreen. So come on, let's go hiking.
the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yay. Boom-de-yada, boom-de-yada, boom-de-yay. Boom, boom, boom.
Hey guys, look at this tree right here.
What's so good about it? It's just a tree.
This is called a juniper tree.
So that's Utah's tree?
Yeah, there's a lot of them growing all over Utah. But what's kind of funny about it is where we're at here in Cedar City, a lot of people think these are called cedar trees, but we actually don't have cedar trees around here. So actually, we should be living in Juniper City, not Cedar City.
Ha! Well, we have one of those in our backyard.
Yeah.
I always thought it was a tree.
Hey you guys, look! Someone littered.
What?
They left their can out here.
Why would they do that?
Ah, yuck. That's gross. I'll put it in my backpack and we can throw it away later.
Okay. Remember, kids, never litter when you're out on a hike. Yeah.
Hey guys, look. Can you see how these rocks have been stacked up like this?
Yeah.
This is called a rock cairn. Someone has stacked those rocks up so that we know that we're on the right trail.
Oh, that's kind of useful.
This actually might be a good place to get a drink and a snack.
Yeah. Okay.
I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yay. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yay. Boom, boom.
Thank you.
You guys ready to keep going?
I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, boom-de-yada,
This is a pinion pine tree.
Yep. Now the pinions, they have these little pine cones on it that have little nuts inside. And the animals like to eat the nuts and they'll store them for the winter. But also, the Native Americans that used to live here in this area, they would gather the pine nuts too to be able to eat. And once in a while, you can see people off to the side of the road selling a big bag of pine nuts. And they come from this tree here, the pinyon pine.
Oh.
boom-de-yay. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yay. Boom, boom, boom.
Wow, look at that cool rock.
Don't take that. Yeah, other people won't be able to see it if you take it. Plus, it's part property.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills.
Oh, look, that's cool. Don't go up there. You might get hurt. You might, like, fall down. like that. Okay.
All right, let's stay on the trail.
Okay, let's continue.
All right, kids. Well, we just want to thank you for going on this hike with us today. And to finish out, we just want to go over some of the things that we've learned today.
Number 1, stay on the trail. Number 2, let someone know where you're going. And number 3, bring a little something to keep you warm in case if it gets cold.
Excellent.
Number 4, bring food and water.
Stick to the trail.
Stick to the trail and leave what you find.
Excellent. Well, we're going to continue hiking, but have a good day.
Bye.
I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low. Boom-de-yana, 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 boom-de-yang. Boom-de-yana, 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 boom-de-yang. Boom, boom, I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills,